4 monks decided to meditate silently without speaking for 2 weeks. They lit a candle as a symbol of their practice and began. By nightfall on the first day, the candle flickered and then went out. The first monk said, "Oh, no. The candle is out." The second monk said, "We're not supposed to talk." The third monk said, "Why must you two break the silence?" The fourth monk laughed and said, "I'm the only one who didn't speak." They all had different reasons, but each of the 4 monks shared his thoughts without filtering them. None of which improved the situation. Had there been a fifth, wiser monk, he would have remained silent and kept meditating. This way, he would have pointed out their mistakes without a single word. Without breaking his own quest for better. Done long enough, talking inevitably leads to embarrassing yourself. Listening leads to learning. The less you speak, the smarter you get. And, maybe not quite coincidentally, the smarter you get, the less you speak. This is ElevatesU forever. Remember, we're not meant to roam the world in a perpetual state of carefree, ignorant bliss. But we're also not mere rats in a maze. Thinking is good. Solving problems is useful. Overthinking problems is not. Thank you for watching.